City. We are here in the house of my BFF, Mrs. Marilyn Gabilo, my BFF, who is having a very good time with us in the blessings of this house, their own house with Princess in home. And the Lord is very good to all of them because they are very faithful and they are very resourceful person and they are very generous people. So they are being blessed by God and blessings are coming along the way.
Grabe, no? Mga promises in the Bible, no?
Yeah.
Now, whatever you do for the Lord is not in vain.
Yes.
Lahat may returns. Yung mga generosity mo sa mga poor and the needy, lahat ng ibigay mo, lahat ng nawawala sa iyo, talagang nire-return ng God. Importante lang talaga, you have to obey, you have to be faithful.
You're a very prayerful person.
And then,
You're a very generous
prayerful.
person.
Ano tawag sa akin kay Miss Gonzales? Where is your prayerful woman friend?
Yes, the very prayerful woman. Who is your prayerful woman? Your best friend, and everything that you can say to her is he's always there to smile at you with a good heart. You see?
Okay.
Good heart. Yes.
Ito po guys, itong dalawang magkaibigan. And then,
Tapos,
dumanas
pa kami ng pagkakasakit, mabuti nakaligtas kami.
Yes, the Lord is very good.
Ako na-stroke pero hindi natuloy. Muntik nang mabulag, tapos na-COVID pa.
Me naman, I was able to survive because of my faith in God, because of the people around me who were always there to pray for me, to guide me, to give me the blessings that I need. This is you, one of you is you are my friend.
At saka nakakatuwa pala, doon mo malalaman kung mahal ka talaga o sino magmamahal sa'yo na kapag nakasakit ka, nabalitaan ka, nakasakit, na-hospital, hala. For so many years, ngayon ang balitaan na nakasakit, tapos parang alalang-alala sila, lalo na kung sinakay ka sa ambulance. Ako alam ko sinakay ko sa ambulance.
Speaking of an
Ano
ambulance,
kaya
is a
feeling ng
blessing.
na-ambulance noon? Yung ikaw nakita mo may naka-ambulance, friend ko, tapos o kaya nanay mo. Pero ikaw, okay lang sa'yo, naka-ambulance ka, pero yung nakakita, hala, paano mo kayo naka-ambulance?
Ang iniisip nila, you will be safe.
Oh, because of faith in God
Care.
nakaligtas. Tapos yung bang,
Care.
na ano ko talaga yung, naranasan ko yung nilagay ka sa bed, tapos ayaw ka lang hawakan kasi COVID na, yung litong COVID, tapos ibuhos ka na doon sa isang kama, ay kahawakan siya na COVID ka.
Para bang ano,
Pero ako naman yung COVID na hingang-hinga. Ano, hindi na ako na oxygen, humihinga. Lahat ng tanong sa akin, humihinga ka ba or ano. Pero sa
Yes.
findings, may mga God is so faithful na nakaligtas talaga ako. Nakaligtas sa COVID, sa pagkabulag, sa ano pa ba, sa stroke.
Yes.
God is good talaga. No?
That is
But
good
thank you
also.
Lord, lahat ng mga promises sa Lord ay talagang totoo. Yung mga plan ng Lord sa atin, matutupad lang kung sumunod tayo. Kaya naku, talagang salamat talaga. Bless na bless ako kasi meron akong friend na makita kami o hindi, anytime every day, basta makita kami, nandyan lang siya. Pag sinabi niya, darating ako, hindi darating, okay lang. Pag sinabi kong darating ako, hindi darating.
Because I'm always inspired. Even though we can see each other, I still believe that you are there, taking care of me, even though you are far away, wherever you are, you're still at home.
As hindi ka nagbabago.
Distance is not an hindrance, but rather it gives us closer to each other. Unlike the technology, it keeps us away from each other sometimes.
Naalala mo yung nakilibing tayo dun sa bundok sa Baguio City,
Oh,
pag
yeah.
naligaw tayo.
Ay, oo, kay Tracy. That Tracy is a very usually honest person. It's just a way that she loves everything.
Okay, thank you talaga for all the blessings. Saka nakakatuwa yung, alam mo ba, nakakatuwa yung ang daming kaibigan na nagmamahal sa'yo kasi mahal mo rin sila yung nakikita mo, ihag ka nila. Talagang,
Also, I hug you.
Ng,
Please hug each other.
Noong years kami nagkita, tapos kailan na naman, bahala na yun. Basta, I always pray. Maganda talaga yung very prayerful ka kasi maraming nangyayari sa prayer. Ang God talaga yun, nagsisit ng araw para magkita kayo. Alam na Lord yung feeling mo na, I want to meet Cynthia in His perfect time. Ito na yung araw
Yes,
na
this
to.
is the perfect
Hindi lang Cynthia, pati ikaw, mami ni Marvin, isa kayong adult. Kaya salamat talaga sa Lord, how good. God. God is Good old na tayo.
Okay, good.
Talaga, sige.
Ang ganda pa naman yung surroundings ng house mo.
Thank you.
And besides,
Oh, yan po guys. Ganda ng view ng kanyang rooftop.
Oo.
Ayan
Ang
po.
ganda ng message ng pastor mo. Talagang very encouraging.
very encouraging message.
Kahit yung friend,
This house
dedicate mo sa
is full
Lord.
of love, full of blessings, full of dedication, full of prayerful ways, whatever it is, positive way, it is always there. Okay, let's go now.
Okay. Ayan po guys. Very architective. Maganda po yung
Kasi talaga nagsisit ng araw.
house nila. Salamat sa
Bigay talaga ng Lord ito.
pagpunta. Yeah.
Pero bago mo ito ma-avail, may mga pinagdaanan ka din talaga.
Ayan po guys. I-house tour pa natin. I-house tour po yung kaibigan natin. Ayan po.
Pero alam mo, kaya pag may mga plano tayo, siguro, ganito natin kayo, ito natin gano'n. Yung po muna live. Yeah.
Ayan po, bababa po kami. Ganda-ganda ng architect ng bahay na to guys. Ayan po.
Ang ganda naman ito, dahil yung sino dati pa rin
This floor is we started the blessing of the house.
yung sa baba, si Arlene, si Angeline, Mr. Des. Meron kami group chat, Blessed Four. Sabi ko na,
Yan, nakita ka binigyan ni Marlene na picture.